Bhubaneswar smiley face. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and BJP President JP Nadda will address election rallies in different parts of Odisha on Sunday. Bollywood actress and BJP candidate from Mandi Lok Sabha seat Kangana Ranawat said on Saturday that people of Mandi will give a befitting reply to the Congress gangs of Shahzadas for making disrespectful comments the women of the state. Mumbai. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi on Saturday asked the people to defeat the arrogance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who she claimed is not bothered about the people of the country. She said that Modi had failed to curb inflation and provide employment to the youth of the country. The Congress leader also asked why the BJP is not seeking votes on the basis of the work they had done in the last 10 years. Bhubaneswar. Odisha capital Bhubaneswar on Saturday recorded this season's highest temperature of 44.6 degrees Celsius by 2:30 p.m. Throwing normal life out of gear, Bhubaneswar virtually turned into a boiling pot with humidity clocking above 60%. While most of the people chose to remain indoors during the peak hours, a slender traffic of cyclists and motorcyclists were seen on the city streets. Hyderabad. Congress Sikandarabad Lok Sabha candidate Danam Nagender held a Padyatra in Ambarpet Assembly constituency on Saturday along with Khairatabad, Hyderabad Central, DCC President Dr. C. Rohin Reddy. Senior leader V. Hanumantha Rao accompanied them. Adilabad. AICC Telangana in charge Deepa Das Munshi on Saturday said that the Congress had pinned a lot of hope on the state in the Lok Sabha elections, and said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had started scared of the fight put up by Rahul Gandhi. Vishakhapatnam. Andhra Pradesh witnessed a scorching Saturday as Nandyal became the first location in the state to record a scorching 45 degrees Celsius. This intense heat forced many residents across the state to seek refuge indoors. The India Meteorological Department's IMD Amravati branch reported that other cities and towns were not far behind, with Kurnool reaching 44.5 degrees Celsius, Anantapur at 43.7 degrees Celsius, Kadapa at 43.4 degrees Celsius, Jangmaheshwarapuram at 43.2 degrees Celsius, and Tirupati at 42.9 degrees Celsius. The rest of the state experienced highs ranging from 39 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius. Vijayawada. The PolyCET 2024 entrance exam for diploma courses in polytechnic colleges concluded smoothly across Andhra Pradesh on Saturday. The exam, held from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at 442 centers statewide, witnessed a high turnout with 141,978 students appearing out of the registered 159,989, 88.74%. The exam's success is attributed to the collaborative efforts of various departments, including district collectors, police, medical, health, electricity, transport, and others.
Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.